Alright, I'm going to show you a very easy way to put icons on your home screen on your phone that link to websites that you will frequently visit, such as Alma. So even though Alma does not have an app, we are going to add an icon for it on our phones. I'll show you how. It's very easy. First, all you have to do is open up your web browser, such as Safari, and go to cams-casd.getalma.com. That will direct you to the middle school's Alma page. Once you're there, tap on the little square at the bottom of your screen that has an up arrow. That will give you some menu options. And on that menu, you will tap on Add to Home Screen. Now just give that icon a name, like Alma, and there it is. Now you can quickly and easily access Alma from your phone, just like if it were an app. Now if you have a Droid, I believe it's just as easy. In Google Chrome, you just go to the three dots and then you click on Add to Home Screen. Okay, if you use your phone regularly, I have several apps that I'm suggesting you to install that will keep us connected easily throughout the school year. First app that I'm suggesting you to install is Google Classroom. This will allow you to view your work from your phone, and it will also enable instant notifications. So when I return something back to you, you are notified right away. You will see your grade and the comments and feedback that I gave you regarding the work that you turned in. Next is the Gmail app, and that's pretty self-explanatory. That's a great way for you to communicate with me and your teachers, along with any of your classmates that you might be partnered up with on any projects. Next, I am suggesting Google Drive. This is an awesome app to have on your phone, especially for a class like digital media, because there will probably be times where you are using your phone to either record or take pictures or to pull pictures from for projects, and Google Drive will allow you to push those out into your drive so that you can edit them on our editors that we will be using this year in class. And lastly, there is Alma. Now, like I said, Alma does not have an app, but if you followed along with the first part of this video, you now know how to add a shortcut straight to your home screen that will take you directly into Alma. The next helpful app for you to install is for book searching in the library. This is called Destiny Discover. Once you head over to the App Store and install Destiny Discover, you will open the app called Destiny Discover, and then you will search for your school. So if you just type in Connellsville and then tap continue, the different Connellsville schools will show up, and you will obviously search Connellsville Middle School Library. Then click continue, and that will ask you to sign in. Now when you go to sign in, you will sign in with your school Google account. So whatever your full Google account is, which is your @casdedu.org, that's what you will use with your Google password. So once you sign in with your school Google account, that will take you here, which brings you to ebooks. Now, you're really not going to find anything through ebooks, so instead click on My Stuff, and My Stuff is cool because that's where you can see what you currently have checked out, when your books are due, and also here's where you can put a hold on a book. If there's a certain book that you are looking for, you could place a hold on it and get notified when it is in. Now I'm going to show you how to search for a book. You can search by subject, by title. Here I'm just searching for cars. So as you can see, all kinds of books about cars show up. If you give it a minute to load, the actual cover of the book will show up, and it will show you if it is available or not with a green in indicator. If it is not available, it will be red and show that it's not there. To get more info on a book, if you just tap on it, it will show you this screen where you can see the call number, you could see the accelerated reader info, and then how many books are actually available. So if a book is not available and you want to place a hold on that book, you can actually tap on hold. And what that means is as soon as it gets returned to the library, you will get a notification on your phone saying, hey, that book is in. So I'm going to do another search here and just search for dogs, for example, just to show you another example of placing a hold. So the covers are loading up. If you tap on one that is not available, it will give information on it.
So I'm going to tap on this one here and notice that there's no option to hold that book, maybe because it's lost. So I'm going to go back in my search, find another one that I might want to place a hold on. This one allows me to place a hold on it. So if you tap hold, it's going to notify you if you turned on your notifications for this. And that is a really great feature if there's a certain book that you are waiting for. So again, that app is called Destiny Discover, and it is available in the App Store for both Android and iPhone. Just sign into your school Google to make it a personalized book searching experience.